Good day to everyone. We are the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering students of STI Kalibo, and we are the developers of aluminum can, tin can, and plastic bottle reverse vending machine.
I am JGR Comuneros. I am the lead programmer, circuit designer, and the assistant prototype builder.
And I am Carlo Dong C. Andrade. I am the mechanical designer, prototype builder, and the assistant circuit designer.
And I am Marquez Pagayon. I am the prototype builder and the assistant circuit designer. And I am Parichan D. Mabanwa. I am the documenter and assistant prototype builder.
Our project entitled Aluminum Can, Tin Can, and Plastic Bottle Reverse Vending Machine can accept three kinds of objects required by the machine and dispense appropriate amount of the object inserted. The machine can distinguish the type of object inserted and search them. The tin can and plastic bottle will move to their corresponding bin, while the aluminum can will be crushed first before it drops to its bin. The machine accepts 330 ml aluminum can and any variant of tin can up to 370 ml and any 330 ml or 500 ml plastic clear bottle. Otherwise, any object will be rejected. Each object is equivalent to 25 centavos.
I will present the prototype's body parts and functions. Insert item window. It is where the aluminum can, tin can, and plastic bottles are inserted. Reject window. It is where rejected items are dropped by the machine. Dispenser window. It is where the coins are dropped. Out of coins indicator panel. When the LEDs are blinking, it indicates whether the 25 centavo, 1 peso, and 5 peso coins banks are empty. Dispense button. It is being pushed once the user wants to dispense.
Carlo and I will present the machine flow process. Let us check first the bins. This bin is for the plastic. This bin are for the tin cans. At the back are the bin for the aluminum cans. As you see, the bins are empty. Now, let us see how the machine is used. For the aluminum can, Carlo, insert the aluminum can into the insert filter. The machine accepted the aluminum can and it goes into the crusher. The aluminum can was crushed. Now, the center segment now display 1, which means it indicates that there is one object accepted. For the tin can, Carlo, insert the tin can. The machine accepted the tin can and it goes to the bin. As you can see, the center segment displays 2, which means that there are 2 objects accepted. For the plastic bottle, Carlo will again insert the object. The machine accepted the plastic bottle, then it goes to the bin. Again, the center segment displays 3, which means that there are 3 objects accepted.
Go. For reject object, since this object is not included in here, then this item should be rejected by the machine. The object goes to the reject window and the 7 segment display remain free.
In order to get the money, simply press the dispense button. The machine dispenses 75 centavos as the equivalent amount for the three objects. Now, let us open the compartment and check the bins. There is one plastic bottle, one tin can, and one fresh can. That is equivalent to 3 of 75 centavos. Yeah. Since the coin bank has 3 remaining 1 peso coin, and each 1 peso coin is equivalent to 4 pieces of 25 centavos. Once we press the dispense button, the 3 remaining 1 peso will be dropped and a LED for 1 peso will be blinked to notify that the coin bank is out of coins. And the next 3 peso coin, which is equivalent to 12 items inserted.
That is how the aluminum can, tin can, and plastic bottle reverse vending machine works. Thank you very much for watching us.